Nietzsche's declaration, "God is dead," reflects society's shift from blind faith to logic. Post-Enlightenment, people rejected the Catholic Church's exploitation. Pope mediated with God, profited from followers. The Renaissance sparked reason over faith. Luther and Tyndale, Reformation leaders, translated the Bible into languages like English, challenging tradition. Philosophers sought God's logical proof but failed. Nietzsche met humanity, killed God by demanding evidence, not faith. Now society faces nihilism. Create your own meaning. Focus on this life versus awaiting an afterlife reward. All points included. God is dead, Nietzsche. Shift to logic post-Enlightenment. Church exploitation, Pope. Renaissance Reformation, Luther, Tyndale. Failed logical proofs of God. Demand for evidence over faith. Modern nihilism, craft personal meaning. Prioritize this life.